ng Grey's Anatomy and I did a bit of my homework since it's due next week pa naman. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for Anton. I'm just gonna scroll through my phone while waiting for him.
Prove me wrong. Tomorrow night, my place.
Don't poke the dragon, Robin, because the dragon will poke you back.
Anton just left, so what I'm gonna do right now is Chloe Ting's workout challenge, and I'm gonna be doing the slim thigh challenge. I'm looking through her online calendar. I'm gonna show you. This is her online calendar. So I think gagawin ko yung slim thigh challenge. And it says here that it's 10 to 15 minutes per day, tapos 25 days yung program na to. And here are the videos I have to do. So yung slim thigh challenge and then yung flat tummy abs workout, and I already opened them on YouTube, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna show you just a few clips of me doing it. By the way, if you want to do this too, I'm gonna link it down below, and yeah, I'm gonna do it now and let's start. I transferred to my room because there's so much people downstairs and I don't want them to see me work out. So I'm just gonna finish it here and then I'll talk to you probably later or probably tomorrow. So yeah. I feel like this is gonna be a boring weekly vlog because we're just at home. But yeah, you will see what I do in a week during lockdown. Right now, I'm just about to edit this video. Ito yung parang summer makeup look. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it kasi I kinda don't like it kasi super pinapawisan ako dito. Usually, when I don't like a video, I just end up editing them. Tapos, after ko mag-edit, dun ako magde-decide if I post it or not. So, usually, I make more than what I post. Pero yeah, minsan talaga perfectionist lang ako sa mga videos ko. If hindi siya maganda, hindi ko siya post. Or if ever man, ipopost ko tapos ipa-private ko after. I'm gonna edit now. Hi everyone! I look so haggard right now. Sobrang pawis ko. But I just did day 2 of my slim thigh challenge, which I'll show you kung ano yung mga ginawa ko. So ito yung kay Chloe Ting. Ito yung ginawa ko day 2. Standing abs, which is tolerable. Pero nung second workout, yung lower abs workout, nahirapan ako dito. Maybe napagod ako, pero I just hate ab workouts. But yeah, natapos ko yan so far. Now, I will be showering. I didn't really film that much today. But yeah, I'm gonna shower now. And probably I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is another day of staying at home. So, it is, I think, mga 9:30 a.m. I woke up around 8:50. So, medyo kakagising ko lang. I'm gonna cook breakfast for my siblings because my parents went to Mercury Drug because my brother's sick. So, ayun. I'm just gonna cook chicken nuggets and some egg.
My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before.
So here it is. I made nuggets for them. And this is mine. I just made the egg for me and then 3 nuggets. Kasi Actually, hindi to magkakasya sa amin. They have to eat something else because we're 6 here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna get a bit of rice because minsan lang naman ako mag-rice. We stocked up on eggs. Actually, this only lasts us like less than a week kasi nga ang dami namin. So, ito pang 1 week ulit or less than. I think this is the 4th day na tapos ayan na lang yung natira. So, meron pa kaming bagong tray kasi baka maubos. And then, I'm gonna get a bit of rice. For me, serving spoon. Here. Wala nung konting rice. I think ganyan lang ako konti mag-rice. Tapos dadagdagan ko na lang if ever.
Wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted together.
I'm now in my room. Right now, I'm just gonna finish editing what I was editing yesterday. Yung summer makeup look, I still don't know if I'm gonna post it. Parang hindi ko siya gusto. Pero sayang kasi.
I will always remember it. How you turned everything around.
We're playing Uno and we're betting on makeup. Tapos, nanood kami It Chapter 2.
How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted together, together is always better.
This is the makeup I have. Si Leah na nanalo so far.
You're making me wholehearted. I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next.
Wow! I already did my skincare and we're just gonna keep on playing Uno until we get sleepy. So, yeah, that's it for my weekly vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna add more for tomorrow. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!